But it's hard to stay mad when there's so much beauty in the world. Sometimes I feel like I'm seeing it all at once, and it's too much. And then I remember to relax.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name's Melinda and I post cute, crafty, cozy vlogs. So if you love anything cozy and whimsical, then welcome, and I hope you stay and join us. So I don't really know what the direction of this video is going to be specifically, but I got a new sewing machine. I'm so excited to get started. I did get started and I was so embarrassed of the footage that I had because the project did not come out the way that it was supposed to. It was just a mess and just filled with knots and just unfinished hems and just looking like a mess. This is the project in question. It was supposed to be a little makeup pouch, but I did the zipper wrong. Like, I did it inside out, and I was trying to follow the tutorials and they were all doing like inside out things, so then like you like switch it around. Like, it was a mess. So I tried to do some quilting. This side looks better than the other side. I first started with this side. It's a mess, it's ugly, it's hideous. So I don't really know what I'm going to do in this video, but I thrifted some bed sheets that I'm going to try and turn into some stuff. I think that I'm going to try and make either a tote bag or just like, I don't know what to make honestly, because this was a mess. So maybe like bags and stuff is just not my strong point. I don't know what easy things to do, so I'm just gonna look up on the internet some easy sewing projects, but I'm probably going to do some sewing and just finish up some orders in this video. And yeah, so as always, I hope you grab your crochet hook or knitting needles or sewing machine and like, let's get crafting together. So I've cut all my parts and also ironed them. I heard that you should iron your parts to make it look less like beginner. So I heard. So I'm going to first sew on the pocket because I feel like if I do it afterwards, I won't be able to do it because I'm still a beginner. So these are like the little straps or whatever. Yeah, the handles. And then I'm going to start off by sewing the pocket on now. The most nervous about this part, like cutting and doing everything is so easy and ironing, but sewing it, I'm so scared. I'm so sad that I'm scared that it will come out like that horrible makeup pouch, whatever that was. But yeah, so yeah, so now I'm going to just start off by sewing the pocket because I feel like if I do it afterwards, I won't be able to do it at all. So hey guys, it's been literally like 2 hours later. I have been trying to do the little pocket because I had to do like, you need like a serger, an overlocker, so that's what finishes like the raw edges. But when you use a sewing machine and you don't have one, you use the zigzag stitch. But my zigzag stitch was literally eating up my fabric. I don't know if I was doing it wrong. I tried on like 3 swatches and it was just eating up the fabric. So I just decided to do a half job and just have fold it inside and just do a normal straight stitch. So that's what I'm doing now, and then I'm just going to attach it to the bag and then try to do the rest of the bag, and maybe I'll be able to be done before like dinner time. But hey guys, so little update. This is the progress. It looks like a little pillowcase, bro. But yeah, I have done like the inside now, but because I don't have a serger, this is really hard for me personally. Like, I don't know, maybe like I'm just like not that smart, but like I can't figure out a way to do that zigzag stitch on top so that it looks cleaner inside. But I'm gonna watch another tutorial and see what happens. But I've sewn on the little pocket, so cool. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna finish the top and then probably add the straps, and then we'll be done. And I'm also thinking of crocheting a little yellow accessory to go with it because it's green, and I think it'll just make the bag pop a little bit more because right now it's looking plain. So it's a few days later, well actually a while later, so I finally finished the tote bag and here it is. This is what it looks like. So there's a lot to unpack here. First of all, the straps, I put them on wrong, so they're not like what is that, asymmetrical? Symmetrical? Yeah, they're not in the middle of the tote bag. Mistake number one. But I made a pocket that I'm really proud of. It looks really cool, and the overall pattern of like the tote bag is super cute. So the only problem is this material is flimsy. It's like a pillowcase. It's not as hard. So obviously I was just learning and everything, and it came out pretty cute. And I was thinking of making like a little yellow star keychain or something, just to add some pizzazz to it because it's pretty plain right now. But overall, I'm really proud of it, and I think it came out really cute. So I'm probably just gonna crochet a little star keychain and then add it onto it. But I'm so excited to start with my skirt. I've been wanting to do like clothing because like this is really cool and everything, but the likeliness of me like carrying this is like slim to none because I was just practicing. But overall, not bad for like my semi-first project. Yeah, but I'm gonna make the little star garland and then I'll show you guys what it looks like on. Hey guys, so I finally finished with the little bag charms for the tote bag. So basically the tote bag is done. So I did a little Miffy one because I lost my original Miffy. Then I just added my little spiced apple bag charm. Look how cute! It looks really cute with the little green flowers. But yeah, this is basically the finished product of my first small project-ish. So yeah, yesterday we went fabric shopping. So we're gonna first start off with the first bag that I went to the first fabric shop to. The first fabric we got is this beautiful gingham. It's like a very like light, I don't know what type of fabric this is, but I just got this navy blue and white little gingham pattern because I've been so obsessed with gingham lately. And I just wanted to get a red one, but then there was no red, there was only this one and the yellow one, so I just settled for this one. And I thrifted this tablecloth that I felt like was such a cute brown color, and just for variety, so I washed it yesterday, dried it, so now I can use it, and it smells like brand new, so that's great. And then I got this old bed sheet that I also thrifted, and I don't think you guys can see the little floral design. Yeah, you can't see it, but it has these cute little embroidered flower designs on it. But I'm thinking of just using this as a normal bed sheet and not cutting it up into something anymore because I just think it's super cute and I love this green color. So I just need to find a matching pillow for that. But I'm thinking of starting with the more thick gingham one because the other one is more like a chiffon, like it's really light and I'm scared to mess it up, so I'm probably gonna start with this one. I don't know how long the skirt can be though because this is really small, well, it's not small, but like it's not like 3 meters long, so I'm just gonna have to play around with it to see what I can come up with. But yeah, these are all the fabrics that I got, so now I'm just gonna try and look up some tutorials on what type of skirt I'm gonna make. Probably gonna start with the brown one because I think it's super pretty, and I just think it's giving like dainty vibes, you know what I mean? Hi everyone, so it's literally a day later and I finally finished with the skirt. I'm just gonna move to the side so that I can put a vertical video of it here so that you can see it fully, because I'm wearing it right now but you won't be able to see. But I am in love with this skirt. Like, I am so in love with this skirt. It looks so cute and I'm so proud of myself because one, I finished it in a day, and two, I learned 2 new stitching techniques. Like, I learned what grafting is and making like little ruffles, and I also learned how to finally do the zigzag stitch because I don't have a serger. I don't have like a variety of maxi skirts, but now that I have this brown one, I will be wearing it down, and I love a good maxi skirt. It's literally like my uniform. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video and joining me for these crafts. Comment down below what you're crafting while you're watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!